What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why you should buy the OnePlus 8T in 2021. Huge thanks to OnePlus for sending out this 8T to me last year to check out and to review. I'll leave the lab review link in the description down below, but without further delay, let's dive right in. Number 1 is charging speeds. Waiting for your phone to charge can be a hassle, and nowadays we don't have the patience to wait. Well, some don't. Imagine waking up and getting ready for work. Your phone is in charge and you hope for it to have a full charge or at least almost full. Truth is, that isn't always the case. But with the OnePlus 8T, I never need to charge it at night anymore. I throw it in charge for literally half an hour in the morning and I'm all set for the rest of the day. Warp charge is such a breeze, and once you get used to it, it's hard to go back to another device that doesn't support 65 watt charging. Now, it doesn't have wireless charging, but I think that's okay given how fast the AT charges from 0 to 100%. Its 4,500 mAh battery is able to get me through the entire day, and I am a heavy user from watching YouTube videos to gaming and to browsing the internet and all that other stuff. However, if you're a light user who only uses their phone occasionally for like calling and texting and sometimes checking email here and there, you should be all set to go. You don't need to worry about battery life at all. Knowing that the 8T has such fast charging gives you that comfort and confidence that you now have one less thing to worry about. Number 2 is performance. For such a long time, OnePlus has been known for amazing performance. And guess what? The OnePlus 8T is no exception. With its powerful Snapdragon 865 chipset from 2020 and 12 gigs of RAM, this device really does perform well. I have not had any hiccups during my time of using the 8T. Everything has been buttery smooth. From scrolling to browsing the internet to texting to playing Call of Duty, performance has been a breeze. I do want to point out that I am a heavy user, which means I'm using my phone for literally everything. So if you're a light user, you certainly won't have any issues whatsoever. No lag, no stutter, nothing. You'll also really appreciate the 120Hz AMOLED display on the 8T, which only adds beauty to the overall performance of the device. And number 3 is going to be price. Now, some of you might not agree. That's okay, but I think price is a reason why you should buy, or at least consider to buy, the OnePlus 8T. When consumers are looking for a new smartphone, they pay fairly close attention to its price and if it's in their budget. I used to work at Best Buy, and I remember many customers were going to buy a device, but they backed away from purchasing it because it was out of their budget. They're all down for the phone, great specs, great camera, whatever it is, but when they hear of the price tag, they're like, oh man, gotta think about it. When the 8T first came out, it was priced at $749 for 12 gigs of RAM. But guys, that was last year. You can now buy the 8T on OnePlus' website for $599, and sometimes they even have sales for $549, or on Amazon for around the same, $550 to $600. While that definitely isn't budget or mid-range, it's like premium mid-range going up to flagship territory, it's still a great price given the phone specs and capabilities. With top-notch specs and performance, clean and buttery smooth software, and super fast charging, I don't think you can go wrong with the OnePlus 8T. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video as it does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. Guys, the OnePlus 8T is a great buy in 2021, and I'm using this because of the fact that I've used OnePlus devices before, so I know how buttery smooth they are and the performance and how amazing they are. Well, like I said, it's a great buy, and for those of you who are holding off on a OnePlus 9T, I would recommend not waiting for one because what rumors and leaks tell us, we might not be getting a OnePlus 9T. It's okay though, because the OnePlus 8T is a compelling device. With its super fast charging speeds, amazing performance, you can't go wrong. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.